NOHS?
Well, good morning sa tanan na televiewers. We are from the Negros Occidental High School, class 1988, and we are the Silver Jubilarians sa Sininga 2A. So we are celebrating our 25th Silver Jubilee, comes April 25, 26, and 27. We have a 3-day activity on that day. And of course, I am also inviting, in lieu of this Silver Jubilee, on January 19 comes this Saturday, the opening of the 2012-2013 Nosai Bowl Fest for Unity. For second season, it is called Homecoming Cup.
So may bowling tournament?
Yes, may bowling tournament. So it will run for 10 games, 10 Saturdays from January 19, and it will end April 13. And the homecoming awarding of the bowling will be on our big day, that is April 27.
Okay, so mamutunta naman niya si Mr. Winner. Sportsman ni siya, no? Gaglaga rin sa bowling. Kansiling lang ako. Basketball ako sa una ako, no? Sa una. Anyway, so ano naman niya, sir? Maka-invite kita na.
Yes, once again, good morning sa mga televiewers ng morning show. Gina-invite ko especially ang 1998 nga night class nga mag-upod din sa aton nga kita ang subong this year sa aton nga NOHS alumni.
Okay. Ano yung bowling tournament siya? May mga pakulo ka muna sa bowling tournament yun? Or bowling
So we are part lang sa bowling tournament. So ang ipabalo ko man gali nga, this year, Golden Jubilarian, amo ang class 1963, headed by their president, si Tita Rose Velez. So sila ang golden, they will be celebrating their 50th year, and we are the silver, celebrating our 25th.
So sa April pa man inyo homecoming, pero
Yes.
sa Sabado na ya?
Ang opening sa Bowl Fest. Yes, sa Nosai. So magkita-kita kita sa Golden Fields, Bowling Lanes, 4 o'clock.
Okay, alright. Amo to mga
Every Saturday.
Every Saturday.
Every Saturday, 10 Saturdays actually.
Okay, amo to ato mga taga Negros Occidental High School Class 88. Dugang para mo balita. Ato rin manod sa pagbalik sa The Morning Show.